This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy on Pinksale. First, ensure your crypto wallet, like MetaMask, is set up and funded with the correct network's native token, such as BNB for Binance Smart Chain. This token covers both your investment and the necessary network transaction fees. Always start by understanding the platform and preparing your digital assets for a smooth purchasing experience. This foundational step is crucial for successful participation. Next, head to the Pinksale Launchpad to explore available projects. Look for key indicators like a completed audit, which signifies a security review, and know your customer verification for the team. Dive into the project's white paper to understand its vision, tokenomics, and the vesting schedule for team tokens. A thorough review of these elements, including the soft cap and hard cap, helps you make informed decisions. Once you've chosen a project, connect your prepared wallet to the Pinksale platform. Locate the contribution box and enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to invest, ensuring it's within the minimum and maximum limits, perhaps 1/10 of a BNB to 5 BNB. Double-check all details before confirming the transaction. Remember, you'll also need a small amount of the native token to cover the network's gas fees for the transaction to process successfully. After the pre-sale concludes and the project launches, revisit the Pinksale page where you contributed. You'll find a claim button. Click this to receive your newly purchased tokens directly into your connected wallet. Finally, to see your tokens displayed, you might need to manually add the token's contract address to your wallet interface. This ensures your assets are visible and ready for future use or trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.